Question: calculate the depression in freezing point of water when 10 gram of CH3, CH2, CHClCOH is added to 250 gram of water. Value of Ka is equal to, Ka is the acid dissociation constant, 1.4 into 10 to the power minus 3, and cryoscopic constant is given as 1.86 Kelvin kg per mole. कैलकुलेट करना है डेल्टा टी एफ. डेल्टा टी एफ का फॉर्मूला होता है के एफ इंटू एम. बट यहाँ पे जो सल्यूट है इट हैज सी ओ एच ग्रुप. द सल्यूट विल डिसोसिएट व्हेन इट इज डिसॉल्व्ड इन वाटर. तो यहाँ पे वॉन्ट ऑफ फैक्टर इंक्लूड करेंगे कैलकुलेशन में. तो डेल्टा टी एफ इज इक्वल टू आई इंटू के एफ इंटू एम. द गिवन सल्यूट ऑन डिसोसिएशन फॉर्म्स द आयंस CH3, CH2, CH, Cl, COOH. This is the solute, and on dissociation the ion formed will be CH3, CH2, CH, Cl, COO minus and H plus ion. Now if degree of dissociation is alpha and concentration is C, then the equilibrium concentration will be C into 1 minus alpha. This is the amount of the acid which is left. C alpha is the concentration of anion and C alpha is the concentration of cation. Now from this formula value of Ka क्या आ जाएगा? Value of Ka will be equal to product of the concentration of the product, that is C alpha into C alpha divided by concentration of the reactant which is left. C और C cancel हो गया. Alpha can be neglected in the denominator. और value of K which is given in the question is 1.4 into 10 to the power minus 3. तो ये हो जाएगा C alpha square is equal to 1.4 into 10 to the power minus 3. And from this alpha will be equal to square root of 1.4 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by concentration of the given solute. Now how to find the concentration of the given solute? Weight of solute given है 10 gram. Molecular weight of solute हो जाएगा. Molecular weight कैसे calculate करेंगे? How many atoms of carbon are there? 4 atoms of carbon. So 4 into atomic weight of carbon, that is 12, plus number of atoms of hydrogen. Total number of hydrogen atoms is 3 plus 2, 5, 6, 7. 7 hydrogen atoms. So 7 into 1